Welcome to this Somatic Yoga for Beginners practice. My name is Eckstrom, and we're gonna get started standing at the top of the mat. You don't need any props today except your mat and yourself. Separate your feet about sitting bone distance so you feel stable and steady in your stance. Place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly, and see if you can start to send your breath into one or both of your hands. And as you begin to breathe into your two hands, remembering today that your body is not a problem to solve. Your body is a teacher, and you're just learning to listen. On an inhale, circle your arms to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. On an inhale, place your hands to your shins, pull your chest forward, find length through your spine, a flat back. And then exhale, fold, and step your left toes to the back of your mat. Drop your left knee down behind your left hip. And on an inhale, rise up into a low lunge. Catch and interlace everything but the first finger up and overhead. Take an inhale as you reach up, and exhale, start to lean up and over to the right. So you're just finding a little bit of a side stretch. And then noticing that your toes are soft, they're not gripping the mat. And your breath is smooth and steady. On an inhale, come back up through the center. Then exhale, release the fingertips down, frame your front foot, tuck your back toes under, lift your left knee. On an inhale, sink your hips a little low, pull your chest forward. As you exhale, rock your hips back and straighten your right leg your own amount. It doesn't need to be perfectly straight. Two more times. Inhale, bend your right knee, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rock your way back and fold over your right thigh. Last time, inhale, right knee bends, spine lengthens. Exhale as you rock your way back and fold. This time, bend your right knee, balancing on your back toes, rise up into crescent pose. Back heels lifted off the mat. Take an inhale as you reach up, and then exhale, draw your hands down toward your heart. On an inhale, push your palms forward, and then as you keep exhaling, as if you were moving a wall away in front of you, press away any unwanted energy. See if you can start to make some space. Then on the inhale, pull your hands back to your heart. Two more times like that. Shift the palms forward and exhale, push your palms away, driving away any unwanted energy. And then inhale, hands back at the heart. One last time. Exhale, drive the heels of the hands forward, making space. And then pull the palms back together at Anjali. Circle the arms to the sky, crescent pose as you reach and rise. And then open up into warrior two. Front heels intersecting your back arch. Extending your right arm forward and your left arm behind you. Take an inhale here in second warrior. As you exhale, place your right elbow to your right thigh. Circle your left arm to the sky on an inhale. Extend it up and over the crown of your head as you exhale. And then circle the arm down in front of your face. Reach the left arm back. On an inhale, let that pull you into reverse warrior, lifting the right hip up, reaching back. And then exhale, circle the hands down onto the floor, spinning onto the back toes, heel toe the right foot to the right, and step the left foot up to the top of the mat, back to where you began. Hands to shins on an inhale, lengthen out. Exhale, forward fold. Rise to the sky. Inhale, press through the feet to stand. And exhale, draw your hands right down to your heart. Circle the arms up on an inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold your way out and down to dive. Lift your chest, glance out halfway. Fold, and this time step your right toes to the back of the mat. Drop your right knee down, and on an inhale, rise up into a low lunge. Catch and interlace everything except the first finger of each hand overhead, and then tilt up and over to the left side. Take a couple of breaths. So in this practice, it's not about the perfect pose. It's about feeling more like yourself. And so you're just coming back to yourself, coming back to what you know is your true essence. Inhale back to the center. Exhale, release the fingertips down, frame the front foot. Tuck the back toes under, lift the back right knee. On an inhale, sink the hips a little bit low. And as you exhale, rock the hips back and fold over your version of a straight left leg. 2 more times like that. Inhale to lengthen the spine. Exhale, rock the hips back and fold. Inhale, rebend the left knee. Exhale, left leg towards straight, bow and drop the head. Rebend the left knee, staying on the back toes. Inhale, rise up to crescent pose. As you exhale, pull the hands down toward the heart and take an inhale here with the hands at prayer. Then start to press the palms forward, and as you exhale, press the palms away from you. And then inhale, pull the hands back to the heart. 2 more times like that. Exhale, heels of the hands press forward. Exhale, hands back into the heart. Press the palms forward and hands back to the heart. Circle the arms to the sky, crescent pose, and open up into warrior 2. Left knee pointing forward, left arm reaching ahead. Descend into the front left thigh, just your own amount. So there can be strong sensation, but it's nothing that you can't be with. Inhale here. Exhale, left elbow to left thigh. Reach the right arm up and then overhead. And then keep going with that circular motion. Circle the right arm down in front of you and all the way back, and let that pull you into a reverse warrior. Inhale, lift the left hip, reach the left arm up and back. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, and then this time step back to the top of a push-up plank. Take an inhale in plank, and as you exhale, knees down, hips back, stack the hands under the forehead, and rest for a moment in child's pose. And centering yourself on the breath, noticing the shifts and changes that come when you show up for your practice. Lift the forehead up, sweep the feet around you, and recline onto your back. Hug and squeeze your knees into your chest. Take a moment there as you curl yourself into a little ball. And exhale, extend the legs forward, drop the arms down by the sides. Turn the palms up to the sky and allow yourself a moment of rest. That it doesn't matter that it was a brief practice. Rest is essential to integration, and so you are not bypassing what is essential to your well-being and to the wholeness of your practice, transcending your time off the mat and into your day. For a moment here, Shavasana as you rest. Rebend the knees, draw the knees into the chest as the breath deepens once again. Rock your way up to sit and cross the legs, join the hands at the space of the heart. Take a deep inhale through the nose. Open your mouth, exhale, let it go. Blink your eyes open. Namaste. Thank you so much for sharing your practice today. Down below, you'll find a link to Inner Dimension Yoga. There you'll find a full library of classes that are dedicated to practices just like this, helping you to learn how to be in your body with integrity and safety, and when you join, your first 10 days are free. Also, be sure to click subscribe if you haven't already, so that we can keep sharing these practices around the world for free. Thank you so much for your practice, and I look forward to seeing you next time.